Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, your weekly roundup of the top news stories of the week. Do keep watching News Mobile and let us know what you think about this video.
The Finance Bill 2017 has been adopted by the Parliament, with the Lok Sabha on Thursday rejecting 5 amendments that were proposed by the opposition parties and adopted on Wednesday by the Rajya Sabha, where the government is in a minority. It was a matter of embarrassment, not worry, for the government as the opposition flexed its numerical muscle in the upper house. Because the finance bill is a money bill, the government just needed to bring the Rajya Sabha's proposal back to the Lok Sabha, where it has a big majority, and ensure they were voted down. 3 amendments were proposed by the Congress's Digvijay Singh and 2 by left leader Sitaram Yechury. GST will lead to one country in one tax and subsume service tax and value add tax into a single tax slab across the country, which will help businesses and customers. Amid the rare presence of Rajya Sabha members, former legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar and Bollywood actress Rekha in the parliament, a question is making rounds in the corridors of the parliament that can nominated members of the Rajya Sabha, such as cricketing icon Tendulkar and Bollywood actress Rekha, continue to remain absent from the house, and should they not resign if they are not interested? This time it was raised by Samajwadi Party's Naresh Agarwal, who said he has not seen the nominated members, including Tendulkar and Rekha, attend the proceedings in this parliament session. Around 44 cities worldwide are likely to face the worst levels of dangerous heat stress under global warming and could experience in future twice the average number of extreme hot days a year, a new research has suggested. The study has predicted increases in the frequency of deadly heat waves worldwide, with 6 South Asian cities among top 10 facing the highest heat stress burden, a measure that combines temperature, humidity, and the population exposed to heat. These findings suggest that Delhi will now experience the hottest summer in history. The first promo for the new season of Game of Thrones is out, and kings and queens and guillotines are ready to take some lives. Only stop, it's winter time. Game of Thrones comes back this summer with its penultimate season, and our 3 major players are set to make their next move. Queen Cersei has taken over the 7 kingdoms, but Jon Snow is poised to reclaim the north, and Daenerys has creeped into the Westeros and staked her claim on Dragonstone, the former Targaryen house. But these power plays won't mean anything when the White Walkers come barging in. This season is setting up to become something truly special. India recorded one of the best wins in Test cricket on Tuesday. Defeating Australia by 8 wickets in home game in Dharamshala, India has reached the top of the Test cricket rankings and has retained its ICC Test Championship mace. With the victory, India also achieved the rare distinction of winning 4 consecutive Test series against Australia in India since 2008. And now for the viral video of the week.